Welcome to the Pharma debate of ValueLinks Specialty Ingredients Division. My name is Kasi Vishwanathan. I've been working with pharma industry for last 20 years and I've been associated with ACG since March 2016. Today in the pharma panel, we have Mr. Pankaj and Mr. Sandeep from Microlabs, Bangalore. Why can't you introduce yourself?
Yeah, that's great, Kasi. We are here today to discuss with you on a few of excipients like what you introduced to us. I'm Pankaj Mandpe. I'm working with Microlabs since last 12 years and my overall experience goes to around 24 years and since the beginning I'm in R&D. So I thought I should talk to you on excipients, what you are intending to ask us few questions and let us have some debate, good questionnaires. So that's why I'm here today with you.
Thanks Pankaj for joining.
Hi, Mr. Kasi. Thanks for inviting us. And myself, Sandeep Pawar, and working with Microlabs plus almost 6 years. And I have total 12 plus years experience in the pharmaceutical sector. I have the good experience with the all kind of excipients and mainly solid oral dosage form, that to be tablet and liquid orals.
Thank you, Pankaj and Sandeep, for joining the pharma debate. Before we start the debate, let me just give you some glimpse about Indian pharma industry. Indian pharma witnessed a growth of 17.9% CAGR during 2005 till 2016, with market increasing from USD 6 billion in 2005 to USD 36.7 billion in 2016. It is expected to reach USD 55 billion by 2020 as per McKinsey studies. In 2016, India exported 16.89 billion US dollar pharma products and it is expected to reach $40 billion by 2020. Indian pharma companies exposed to more than 200 countries and USA as the key market. India has the second largest number of US FDA approved manufacturing plants outside US. And coming to the formulation part, if you see, India is the largest exporter of formulations in terms of volume with 14% market share and 12th in terms of export value. Domestic market size currently it's about $11.2 billion and it is expected to have a double-digit growth in the next 5 years. Coming specifically to the excipient segment, if you see the global excipients market, it is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.7% from 2014 to 2019 and India and China is expected to grow at a pace of 7.4%. So having said all these things, what do you think, Pankaj, that the role of quality excipients in the Indian formulation manufacturers?
Yeah, of course. When you are talking about quality excipients, always we as a manufacturer, we talk about quality products. The quality products in the sense the finished pharmaceutical products, which we are intending to export to US. Our premium and primary market is always US. No doubt we are exporting to our other regulated markets like Europe, all European countries and Canada. But then it's not only the finished product active ingredient, it's always the excipient. Like what we are having food daily.
Okay.
It's a full plate. It's not only the salad or only the part of other food. When we are talking about a complete food, we are talking complete food.
Okay.
So it's like excipient is a part of that quality product. We deal with excipient as good as that, as good as in the sense what we are dealing with active pharmaceuticals, the ingredients.
As per Microlabs, since you might be using a lot of excipients from various suppliers, how do you evaluate excipients and its suppliers? What are your selection parameters?
Selection parameters basically would say, I would say if we are using any specific excipient and if we want to, you can say replace or have an alternate vendor, then the criteria is different. If we are developing any finished product for the first time and if we are introduced with any new excipient and if we think about that excipient in the finished product, then of course the criteria is different.
Okay.
The selection criteria depends on at what stage we are using that excipient.
And before we go in further details, let me just brief you about what ACG is about and what is the ACG value chain about.
Yeah.
ACG, as you know, is the second largest producer of capsules in the world. Presently, we have 4 plants in India and multiple manufacturing sites outside India. ACG offers packaging films, tablet tooling machines, tableting machines, fluid beds, coating pans, wet granulators, capsule filling machines, and we are also into the inspection systems in track and trace solutions, blister and cartoning machines. ValueLinks offers high quality innovative excipients for the pharmaceutical industry and nutraceutical ingredients industry from internationally renowned suppliers. We also offers innovative packaging solutions, lyophilizers, GMP pharma washers, vial filling machines, and pre-filled syringe lines. So Microlabs is in the pharma domain since 1973
73.
and have been growing steadily and aspire to become $1 billion by 2020.
2020.
So why do you find, where ACG can partner with you in the growth story?
As you said, ACG is in various sort of businesses, and Microlabs, we do have a lot of business with ACG since the beginning. I should say, like, when I am having 24 years of experience, I know ACG since last 30 years when I was studying my pharmacy.
Okay.
So it's really a valuable relationship and value relationship. That's why the name says it. It's a good to have such specialty excipients to offer to us, like what you are doing right now, and say the other part like capsule filling machines, empty capsules. We are happy till date. Yes, I should say.
And since you addressed about cost optimization, what do you value the most in a vendor?
Support.
Yeah.
Because nowadays regulatory queries are not only related to finished product or even active pharmaceutical ingredients. We are being asked many questions on even excipients, the choice of excipient, the source, the basic source of excipient, whether it is natural or artificial or whatever. Then there are a lot of queries being asked on the excipients itself, and for that the manufacturer or supplier of excipient, he should be aware of all those things, the regulatory requirements. He should support us at any given time point, because a lot of questions are, you have to answer a few questions directly to the regulatory authorities.
Right.
So on that part we need a lot of support, and timely support is most important. As you said, the competition, even in for us, the finished product supply or that competition is tremendous. So using quality excipients with quality services and prompt services, that's the key of all this business.
And Microlabs actually is working in different therapeutic segments. You may be using innumerable ingredients based on the end application. Does procuring from various vendors affect your process or your inventory management?
Obviously, of course, because we, as a part of inventory management, always right from R&D we look at, if there are already approved vendors, obviously we will go with those vendors first. Only new excipients, quality excipients, and there are, say for example NDDS products, then we have to go with some specialty excipients. So if you want to replace any excipients, it's not that easy as far as stores management at our locations is concerned. We have around 14 to 16 manufacturing facilities. So just imagine introducing a new vendor and any cost optimization trials to be taken at plant level. If the excipient is critical, then we have to demonstrate many trials, many experiments we have to do. The analytical work, analytical load, it gets increased.
Sandeep, we are supplying international grade MCC and other quality excipients for your formulation. What is your experience in terms of using this MCC and whether it has improved your process formulation?
Yeah, well, actually, the MCC, one of the grade, specialized grade, has been introduced by ACG, and that time we got lot of support from the ACG, and that particular grade has been helped a lot to solve one troubleshooting, and that's really great with that particular grade of MCC.
Yeah, timely support of ACG team and introduction of this excipient to us has helped us a lot actually, I should say.
Yeah, thank you Sandeep, and thank you Pankaj.
Thanks,
for
Asim.
joining the pharma debate of ValueLinks Specialty Ingredients Division. Thanks for your time.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thank
Asim.
you.
Bye.
Yes.